Mr. Keshwar Nandan, the Managing Director of CACS Marketing Fiji Limited, and your staff, and also your company. On behalf of the Ministry of Health and the government, we're very grateful for the provision that you've given us. I hear that apart from sanitation and also cleaning agents and some digital equipment to the tune of $5,000 that will greatly assist us as we continue to combat COVID-19. As we are all aware that the Honourable Prime Minister yesterday made the announcements in respect of our next phase in our COVID-19 moving forward, return to recovery in terms of the economic perspective. And we are grateful from the Ministry of Health that there are companies such as yours have come to the fore and supported us in ways in which we can continue to support one another and prevent Fiji from having a second wave of the disease. We've had development partners come to us in this room. We've also had local companies that have come. And for CACS Marketing to be here today to support us, we're very grateful for the support. We're very grateful for the appreciation. And as we've said all along, it needs a whole of nation approach to tackling COVID-19. And with the support that you've given us today, we know that together we can. So once again, sir, thank you very much. Thank you for the gift that you've given Fiji today through the Ministry of Health. And as I keep on alluding to, this is not only limited to the Ministry of Health, but also stakeholders that work with us, and also our frontline officers that are at the fore of what we intend to do in battling and preventing COVID-19 from coming back into Fiji.
This house becoming popular, we thank the